Hi everybody, it's me again. Today we have a beautiful weekend project by using USB cable. We see here a USB cable, universal series port cable. We have in each USB cable have wires, 4 wires, green, red, white, black. Green and black is a positive and negative supply voltage, and we have here device. I assembled this and it takes about 2 days, and it's a peak detector for our voice, and I want to say that it's a beautiful for our lighting of our room. Let's check it. Okay, let's connect our USB cable to our computer. Okay, and then let's check device. Okay, let's connect negative and then positive. Oh, so I have some problems. Yes, okay. Our device. Now let's make some noise like this, and beautiful integration. And I want to say that it's not so sensible to our voice, human's voice, only peak detector, like peak voice sounds. We see here LED, microphone, and some scans, and it's a reset button. Important parts of our device. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you find some useful things, subscribe my channel. Goodbye for now.